lights is on the beat.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another wig on. Yes, this is a wig. This is a wig. This is a closure wig. A closure wig. Wait, what's wig, sis? You sure that's not a frontal lobe? No, it's a closure, sis. It ain't right here. I made some baby hairs. Y'all, what up? Ooh, I'm just like so excited because I said I wasn't gonna wear any wigs over the summer, but like when I go on vacation, I'm about to throw this on my head and be like, sis. I'm getting hot just thinking about this hair. I finessed a closure. These curls. This is like overwhelming. And I bleached the knots, and I just feel like I'm just thriving with this fake stuff. Anyways, so let me tell you what came up out this magical box right here. If y'all can see it, what came out this little magical box, you know. So this hair that I have in my head is from BeautyForever. Now I have collabed with BeautyForever for a long time. This is the second order that I've gotten from them. I got straight hair from them last time and I was loving it. And now I got deep wave hair and I'm loving it. Notice the emphasis on loving. And I'm just like, every time I think I got a new favorite wig, I do another one and it becomes my favorite. Like, it makes me sad because I wish I could wear them all at once and I can't. And then, you know, I only keep styles in for like a couple days. So I'm going to have something new in like 3 days. I'm not even going to get a chance to enjoy this. But this is some good hair. I never really read the box. But they give some good tips on the back about hair care for their hair. So I'm going to read those. So they have shampoo once a week, which I don't really think is necessary unless you're outside in the dirt. And shampoo dries the hair out anyway, so I don't suggest that. Don't use blow dryer or too much heat. Use a heat protectant whenever you use heat on your hair to avoid breakage and hair getting tangled and matted. Okay, what I will say about this hair is when I took it out the package, it did have some tangling at the ends, but it is curly hair, so I'm not expecting to run my finger through it, but it was a little bit more tangling than I expected. But like I said, I still love this hair. It ain't changed anything about, you know, my feelings for this hair. So yeah, it also says let hair dry and use flexi rods to curl. I don't even know if flexi rods is this deep. What is this? I say deep wave, deep curly, deep wave hair. You feel me? Use Tresemme smooth and silky shampoo and conditioner. I don't use that. I don't even wash my wigs because I wear them for 3 days and put them in a drawer. And yeah, okay. So anyways, brush gently from ends to roots. That is what you should do with your hair, with weave, with everything, because that avoids tangling, it avoids breakage, it avoids so much. Wrap your hair up with a silky scarf to avoid tangles in your sleep. So true, but I don't do it. I don't know why. I just go to sleep in my wigs and then wake up and restyle it. I don't know. I'm not a bonnet queen. Then they talk about at the bottom our service, product related consultation, reply within 24 hours online, overnight shipping available, one-on-one service, 15 days, no reason return after service. They are honestly a very good company to get in contact with because I've had this hair for about 2 to 3 months and I had totally forgot about it. I hadn't made the video and they didn't stalk me or anything. They just emailed me every now and then like, what's the update? You know, you've had the hair, we want to see the video. And I'm just like, OMG, I am so sorry. And they're very understanding. But I do recall me talking to them one day, and then the hair was here in like the next day or two. And I'm just like, whoa, I wasn't ready. Which is why you don't got the video ready. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to tell you guys about this hair because, you know, I have it on Snap, and y'all be on Snap really trying to know what type of hair I got in my head. But this is Brazilian deep wave, y'all, from BeautyForever. And I got a 20-inch closure with 4 24-inch bundles, which made it so full and big. And it's not really, you know, layered because I have all the same bundles. So yeah, I think I want to color it. No, I don't want to color this hair. Never mind. I like it black. I want some deep wave hair that I'm going to color. Nah, never mind. I don't know. But I might color this a ombre, like, you know, brown. That'd be super cute. I've been wanting to experiment with my wigs recently, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, y'all, this is the deep wave hair. It has some little tight little curls. And basically all I did was take a wide tooth comb and comb out some sections to make it poofy. And then I put a little water in it just to get a couple curls back. And then I parted right before my closure ended to get this look, and just wrapped it around into a little bun, guys. Pulled out some baby hairs. I did some baby hairs from the tracks, and I showed in another video previously how I finesse a closure, so you guys can take a look at that on how to make your closure look like a frontal. So yeah, this is gonna wrap up my video, guys. But this is the best deep wave hair. I've never really had deep wave hair. I think I've had deep curly and like loose deep wave, but this is some good deep wave hair. In my opinion, I give this hair a 10. I really like it. I suggest you guys, you know, I don't put videos up here that I don't like. So yeah. Alright guys, bye.